Hello and welcome back to Detail in Product. Hello and welcome back to Detail in Product, the Instagram mini-series where we point out one of our products and we give you the what it is, when you're going to use it and how you're going to use it. And today we're going to focus on our ultimate extreme cling snow foam. So let's talk about what it is. So it's a pre-wash. This is used before you wash the car to loosen up the dirt and grime before you contact wash with your wash mitt bucket and grit guard. The great benefit of using the Extreme Cling Ultimate Snow Foam is that it's pH balanced and it's wax safe, so it's not going to compromise any protection you've got on your car. So when you're going to use this, well, pretty much as much as you want. It is pH balanced and wax safe, so it's great for using before each time you contact wash the car. So how are you going to use the snow foam?
Ay, caramba, papi.
All you need is a few things: a jet wash and our snow foam cannon. It's a 5:1 ratio, so once the product is mixed in the cannon, connect it to your jet wash and go from the bottom of the car right up to the top. This is going to safely remove any excess dirt and grime that's sitting on the surface of the paint and make it easier to wash and safer. So a little extra note, to make sure you get maximum performance from the snow foam, make sure you keep it in warm, dry conditions. And that's it, that's another episode of Detail in Products, and today we've talked about our ultimate Extreme Cling Snow Foam. So, we've talked about what it is. It's a pre-wash before you contact wash the car. When you're going to use it? Pretty much any time that you wash the car. It is pH balanced and in wax safe. We've talked about how to use it. You want to be using it with a jet wash and our snow foam cannon. Unfortunately, I've been Dale, but fortunately this has been Detail in Product.